here at Holy Angel University and we're going to Urban Hub Resto Bar.
Weren't you the one who said that I would be nothing? Well, I'm about to prove you wrong. I'm not the only one who believes in something. My one wish is about to come true. I'm not stopping for you, no matter what you do. I'll just keep on dreaming. My head up in the clouds, and nobody's around to see. This is my moment, my moment. My time flying high, my life feels like my moment, my moment. I've waited for so long, but now everybody knows this is my moment.
Okay, ito po, nandito na po kami sa Habakan Bridge and 10 minutes na lang po makakarating na kami sa Urban Hub. Ito po, Silver Mall, malapit na po kami, mga 3 minutes na lang nasa Urban Hub na po kami. Ito na, nandito na po kami, nandito na po kami sa location at bababa na kami. Para po. Ito na yung Urban Hub. Sa wakas, nandito na kami. Yan po yung logo niya. Papasok na sila sa Urban Hub. Papasok na po sila. Stairs po yung ginagamit. Ayun o, escalator siya. Ito po yung daan papuntang Urban Hub. Tara na, let's go. So this is it. Nandito na kami sa Urban Hub. Papasukin na namin yung Resto Bar.
Oh, it's so sexy, y'all.
Ito po yung Urban Hub Resto Bar. Nandito na po kami. Yan po yung loob niya.
Ayan po sila nag-order ng kanilang order.
We both knew this type of life. Life didn't come with instructions, so I'm trying to do my best to make something out of nothing. And sometimes it gets downright shitty, in fact.
Na rin kami ng pagkain. So, kakain muna kami at wala pa yung owner o yung mga partnership. So, chill-chill muna kami hanggang sa makarating na sila. Yung entertainment nila at meron silang projector. Yan Yan po yung facilities dito. Ito po yung bar nila. Ito, nagtitisis. Wala pang tulog. Yan yung waitress nila. Ganda. Yan sila.
No woman, no cry. Jaya, no. You look like you could be a Tyra or an Amanda. All that I know is that you're beautiful. You look like you should be a Tina or a Selena. So why you alone, girl? I just wanna know. Girl, I don't know what your name is, but I see you looking down. I really don't know what your man did, but he left you with a frown. I know my sound a little crazy, but please let me inside. I really don't know what the case is, but I want you to dry your eyes. No woman, no cry, no cry, 'cause tonight is gonna be alright. You're gonna be okay, okay, okay.
Ito, kakain na kami. Mr. Rodski. Rodski, sarap yata ng kain mo ah. Jesse, huwag kang managinip, di ka palasing. Yun, nag-interview na si Rodski.
Basically kasi ang concept ng aming bar is to cater yung sector ng ating society na may from young urban professional up to mataas na level. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa Balibago Street, yung mga bars dito halos market nila mga bata, mga estudyante, tapos mga CBE. So, naisip namin, kami nung partner ko dito sa bar na dapat yata meron isang bar na mag-cater na medyo executive na content. So, ang tinatarget namin is young urban professionals pataas. Kasi, like for instance ako, gusto kong mag-enjoy ng content. Pero alangan akong pumunta dun sa mga lugar na learning experience for it. Oo, na medyo maingay, crowded, maraming nag-away. I have nothing against other bars, no? Pero kami kasi yung mga young professionals, naghahanap kami ng isang lugar na medyo maganda yung ambience para sa amin, no? Kasi syempre hindi ka naman pupunta dun sa isang lugar na medyo alangan ka. Punta ka dun sa isang lugar na komportable ka, no? So, sabi ko dun sa mga kasama ko, mga kaibigan ko, in fact, yung boss ko kasama ko dito, no? So, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng bar? Medyo may parang tambayan natin. So, doon nabuo yung concept ng urban hub. It's a place for young urban professionals.
Nagbiyayan lang po kayo na buo tayo ng gantong bar para may tambayan.
Yes. So, bali tatlo kaming may-ari dito. Yung isang may-ari is a CEO ng isang multinational company sa Clark. Tapos yung isa kaibigan ko. So, tatlo kami yung may-ari sa bar.
Sir, next question po. Buti po, ganito po yung napili niyo.
Well, as I have said, no, gusto sana namin magkaroon ng place na medyo cozy ang dating. No? So may banda, mga tumutugtog na banda, tapos magaganda. If you can see my staff, magaganda sila. Parang everything is pleasing to the eyes.
Sir, yung next question, dito po anong darwin po yung napili yung place? Di ba po dati yung courtyard po dati?
Yeah, dating courtyard to.
Na nalugi po sila. Ito yung balita ko.
I'm not in the position to say na nalugi sila or bakit sila nagsara, no? Pero the reason bakit napili namin itong lugar na ito is number one, kaibigan nung isang may-ari nito, yung may-ari ng building. No? So that's number one. Number two, nakita namin it's a prime location. No? Kung nasa baba ka, kung sa daan, makita mo, titingala ka, kitang-kita mo pa agad. No? So, kung papansinin nyo, pati yung mga salamin namin, hindi kami nag-tint. No? Para kita yung sa loob.
Sir, ako mabuti ganyan po yung design ng logo natin.
Ang design ng logo, if you can see it, para siyang smiley. No? So parang maganda lang yung aura na lahat ng mga nandito, parang nakatawa sila, nag-enjoy, having fun. So it's a place for us to have fun.
Sir, ano po yung pinagkaiba nyo sa ibang resto bar?
Well, siguro kung titignan mo sa lugar, medyo cozy yung sa amin. No? Hindi kami nagtipid dun sa construction namin dito. No? Kasi we want to have an ambience na magiging komportable yung lahat ng mag-stay. No? Tsaka yung mga upuan namin, tingnan mo kapag upo ka dito, very comfortable. No? At kahit sa ang sulok ka tumingin, yung details ng architectural engineering namin talagang maganda. No? Very, very particular kami. Tapos pansinin nyo, wood, di ba? Talagang malamig sa mata.
Yung operation ng hours niyo po daw is 6 to...
Yeah, we open from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. But of course, if guests are still here, pwede pa rin naman sila mag-stay. Mag-extend kami. Depende kung napa-enjoy yung mga bisita namin for the night.
Tsaka sir, yung bar daw po, kasi galing po kami dito ha,
Oh, really? Dito?
May tumugtog pa nga po.
Okay, yeah.
Bali, March 11 daw po siya
Mag-o-open?
Nag-opening niya.
Open, no. Soft opening kami last February 14. No, Feb 14 yung soft opening namin. And we will be opening, yung grand opening namin will be on April 15. Sasabay kami sa pag-open ng building. Kasi kung papansinin nyo, sarado pa yung katabi namin. So by April 15, nag-commit sa amin ang may-ari ng building that it will be open. Then ilalunch na namin formally yun. Yung katabi namin dito ay billiards hall. No? Tapos dito ay bingo. No? Parang yung sa Savers Mall, nilipat nila yung bingo nila dito. Tapos KTV Spencer's. No? Alam mo yung Spencer's sa Savers Mall din? No? Nilipat din nila dito. And then I think itong adjoining stall namin is a poker house.
Bali sir, yun lang po.
Yun lang.
Maraming
Okay, thank you. Sige. Enjoy. Bye-bye din
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my
Edit. Hulog.
thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, turn me on when you feel. This melody was meant for you, to sing along to my stereo.
If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and